Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into a few items that I picked up for my tool bag. So if you have a tool bag, these are going to be great accessories to consider. But even if you don't have a tool bag, these are just great accessories in general and may help you keep some things organized or just be extremely handy to have on hand and easily accessible. That's the great thing about them. I just bought them for my tool bag because they're very adaptable and very versatile little accessories. So some great tools that we're going to be going over today. Very simple products, but very good products. So I will have these linked down in the description if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoy this content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on these, or if you have something similar or possibly the same product. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. So here we're going to be looking at a few items that I picked up for my universal tool bag, but keep in mind that these don't have to be used on tool bags. I think these are great accessories for a tool bag if you use one, but they can also just be used in the shop or garage environment. The first one up is going to be this item, which is from a company, Soapwad. I don't know, Sopewod. It's a zip tie organizer, and I saw this and I thought it was a great idea. It's actually bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be, pretty small. I thought it was just going to be like this size here, but so just over 3 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. With the tab over here, we're looking at about 3.5 inches wide. So it's a little bit bigger than I expected, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So let's go ahead and get into the details. This can hold, well, it depends. In the description or the information on Amazon, it says it can hold around 100 zip ties, 112-inch zip ties. Length doesn't really matter. It's really depending on how wide or how big the zip ties are, not necessarily the length. So obviously, if you have larger zip ties, it's not going to hold as many as if you have a bunch of smaller zip ties. So I can't give you an exact number on that. It is made of a plastic material, and the other unique thing about this tool is that it actually glows in the dark. So I'll go ahead and show you that. This hasn't been sitting in the light, so I'm going to just hopefully charge this up a little bit. So this is so you can easily find your zip ties in the dark. Not that you'll be able to use your zip ties in the dark unless you have a flashlight, which defeats the purpose of this glowing in the dark. I don't get why this thing glows in the dark, but it does. So you can find your tool bag if it's in the dark, if this is connected to your tool bag. It can glow in the dark for up to 30 minutes, just depending on, how much light it gets. But this has been sitting in my garage in the dark for all day. So this is the first light it's seen. Here we go. You can see it does glow in the dark. Obviously the other side is not going to be really glowing, but it'll stay charged, or it'll glow for a total of 30 minutes. So kind of a silly feature, but kind of not, just depending on how you're using this tool and where you're working with it. It does have a little ring and a carabiner, but keep in mind this is a cheap carabiner. This is nothing fancy whatsoever. No, I don't think it's going to break. I mean, it's holding zip ties, but I may just replace this with a little bit better quality carabiner. This has 4.6 stars out of 5. It has 291 ratings, and it runs $14. It is auto tension on the zip ties, so whether you have a bunch of small zip ties in here, and you can fill this thing up, and then as you pull the zip ties out, obviously it auto tightens, so you don't have to keep adjusting it or whatnot. It's just a spring-loaded tab here, and this is kind of a rubber ring on here and rubber on here. You can even, use quite large zip ties in here. Or if you wanted to load it up with different zip ties, that is available as well, But at $14, I think it's a pretty unique and cool little tool, and definitely one that I've enjoyed so far. So let's move on to the next tool. Also keep in mind that in any of my videos where we're doing a top down like this, any of the tools that you see in the corners, I will usually have linked down in the description underneath the tools and tools continued link. Those are going to be 2 links that take you to a large list of tools that I suggest. But anything in these specific videos, such as the tools that I'm going over like this, each tool will have its own dedicated link, so you guys can easily find whatever's in the video. But anything around here will usually be in the tools and tools continued link. Next up is a very popular one. This is from Klein. You can also get this from many other brands, but it's not that much more expensive, and I didn't want to end up going with the knockoff one and it having a weaker magnet or it not being as durable. Even though it is a very simple product, I just figured I'd go with a brand that I know because it was just a few dollars more. And so I went with the Klein. This is the Mag 2. This is a magnetizer or demagnetizer for screwdrivers or bits or tips, anything that you want to magnetize or demagnetize. So it does use a rare earth magnet. It has a stainless steel ring here, so if it gets left out, the environment, this thing should hold up pretty well. And it does state this is made in the US with global materials. Writing on here, obviously it has an arrow pointing up and says magnetize, so this main pass through up here is going to be for magnetizing your tips or screwdrivers, and then this area down here is going to be for demagnetizing. And they have a few different sizes, so you can, your precision screwdrivers or anything larger, you have a few different ones there. But like this Southwire USA made screwdriver does not come magnetized, which is no big deal because you can always magnetize your screwdrivers. You just pass through, try not to turn it, you just pass it through the magnetized portion. So as you can see there. And then to demagnetize, you just pass through the other end, and then there's no magnetism. So having a screwdriver that's magnetized can be extremely handy, and then sometimes it can be super annoying. So having something like this is very handy, and it's very affordable as well. So this is going to have 4.7 stars at 6,503 ratings, so rated very highly and rated a lot. And then this is going to run $10. I believe the cheaper ones are $6, $7, so I was just going to spend the few extra dollars and get the one made by Klein. So very simple product, but a very handy tool to have. And then the last one up, as far as products that I've got for my tool bag, is going to be the Railer organizer with bits. They have a variety of different options. You can get them, this is a double row, you can get them single row, you can just get the organizer itself, or you can get them preloaded out with different bits. They have a lot of different varieties here. So I bought this after I bought this, not even knowing that this organizer has a built-in magnetizer and demagnetizer. Am I going to return this? Absolutely not. This is going to go on one of my tool bags. This is going to go on another. This will probably go on my secondary tool bag. Not a big deal. They were both extremely cheap. So this Railer organizer, like I said, comes in many different options or varieties. They are S2 steel bits and nut drivers. The nut drivers are all the bits are impact rated, and they are magnetic nut drivers, which I really enjoy. I have just the cheap Warrior set from Harbor Freight, and I've enjoyed those a lot over the years, especially for how cheap they were. But I like having the specific bits that I use most often, and then having a few common nut drivers, and this set provided all of that, and the organizer with a demagnetizer and magnetizer all in one. It does have a carabiner, and this is going to be a much higher quality carabiner than what we saw on this guy over here. And then these come in 2 color options as well. I got the orange. You can get it in black with orange accents. Both options are available. This is going to be made in Taiwan, and it has 4.6 stars at 36 ratings. So not a whole lot, but it is rated highly. And this is going to run $18. Obviously, the price is going to vary depending on which set you get. There are some cheaper and some more expensive, just depending on if you get the nut driver, the magnetic nut drivers, or if you're just getting bits or just getting the organizer. So like you get 2 flatheads, a Phillips 1 and 2, a square, and 8 Torx. I think it's T25. Yes, T25. So that is very common Torx for me. You get 1/4 inch, 5/16 and 3/8 for the magnetic nut drivers. And I'll just go ahead and show you the magnetizer and demagnetizer. So we'll go ahead and pass this through. There you go. Now the tool is magnetized. And then to demagnetize, it's just this outside surface on the other side of the magnet. and now the tool is demagnetized. So that this was included, if I would have looked just a little bit harder, I would have known that this came with a magnetizer and demagnetizer, and I wouldn't have purchased this. But all of them are great accessories. I think they're fantastic. They're all priced very well, all underneath $20. So you're looking at $10, $14, and $18. But obviously this varies depending on the one that you decide to get. But all of these products will be linked down in the description. Like I said, all individual links, so they're easy to find. And then anything else that you ever see in my videos should be underneath the tools and tools continued link. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, or if you've used any of these. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.